Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add an image to a screen flow in Salesforce. This is a great way to make your flows more visually engaging and help guide users through processes with custom graphics or logos. Let's start by uploading your image as a static resource. Click on the gear icon in the top right corner of Salesforce, then select Setup. This takes you to the main configuration area where you can customize your Salesforce environment. Once you're in Setup, locate the Quick Find box on the left side of the screen, type in static resources, and wait for the search results to appear. From the results, click on static resources under the custom code section. This is where Salesforce stores files like images, style sheets, and other assets that you can use across your organization. Now click the New button to create a new static resource. You'll see a form where you need to enter some details about your file. In the name field, type a descriptive name for your image. For example, you could use something like My Flow Image. Make sure to remember this exact name as you'll need it later. Next, click Choose File and select the image you want to upload from your computer. Once you've selected your file, set the Cache Control dropdown to Public. This ensures that your image loads properly when the flow runs. After everything is filled in, click Save to upload your static resource. Give it a moment to process and confirm the upload is complete. Now that your image is uploaded, it's time to create the flow. Head back to the Quick Find box in Setup and type Flows. Click on Flows under the Process Automation section. This opens the Flow Builder interface where you can design automated processes. Click New Flow to start building. You'll see several flow types to choose from. Select Screen Flow as this type allows you to create user interfaces with visual elements like images. The Flow Builder canvas will open up, ready for you to start designing. To add a screen where your image will appear, click the plus icon on the canvas, then select Screen from the element options. This creates a new screen element in your flow. In the Properties panel, enter a label for your screen. Something like Image Screen works perfectly. Now comes the important part. Look at the left panel where you'll see various components you can drag onto your screen. Find the Display Image component and drag it into the screen region. This component is specifically designed to show static resources in your flows. With the Display Image component selected, you'll see its Properties panel on the right. Enter an API name for this component, something like Flow Image. Then in the Image Name field, type the exact name of the static resource you created earlier. In our example, that would be My Flow Image. This connection tells Salesforce which image file to display. Click Done to confirm your screen configuration. It's time to save your flow. Click the Save button in the top right corner, enter a flow label such as Image Display Flow, and click Save again. Your flow is now saved but not yet active. Before activating, let's test it. Click Debug at the top, then click Run. This opens a preview where you can verify that your image appears correctly on the screen. Take a moment to check that everything looks good. Once confirmed, click Finish to exit the debug mode. Finally, click the Activate button to make your flow live and ready for users. Your screen flow with a custom image is now complete and functional. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.